Today we're headed to Da Nang and it's a 15-hour trip, and weirdly I'm starting it at this time because we're getting on a sleeper train. The beds are completely flat, unlike the buses. This looks really cool. It's going to be a good experience, but stuck on here for 15 hours. I was in Kabang, took a 6-hour bus, and then we went to the wrong bus station twice. Well, once, and then we missed the bus the second time because we were late, and now we have to get to bed. But it looks better than the bus, but it was like a little bit more expensive. This is sick. This is my first time on the sleeper train, and I've only been on one sleeper bus and it wasn't that good. We've got a bit of space up here. We've got a whole flat bed, so we should get some good sleep. Window, we've got plugs to the light.
Comes with a Morgan.
It comes with a Morgan. The only thing that could have been better is the bottom one. It's the morning now, and after an absolutely rough night of sleep, the aircon's being cold. We've got these really amazing views of the coast. We arrived in Da Nang and we have to just walk across the tracks from our train, which is really weird. Now we're gonna go get a grab and get to our hostel. I've got myself a private room for the next 2 nights. It's the first private room I've had in the entire trip, and it's okay, nothing too fancy. Apparently I had a sea view, and technically you can't see the sea, but barely. And I only really got it because I've been travelling for like the past, I mean like travelling like on like a bus or train for like the past 24 hours maybe. So last like 2-3 days I've done a lot of traveling. So I've got myself a private room with a big bed because I need some sleep. We've come out to find some food because we've not eaten all day. We haven't eaten all day really, have we, except Oreos? Oreos and a banana, and it's like 3 p.m, 4 p.m, no, 5 p.m. nearly. Yeah, it's 5 p.m. So we're starving, and then we're gonna have a little walk around the city, go to the beach and just see what it's like. Got a noodle soup with some tofu, carrots and other things, some spring rolls, and then I assume the side salad is between us. This is meant to be one of the best places in Vietnam to surfboard, but we're out the surf season. Surf season ended last month, but it still looks like it'd be really good. There's like a little resort here called the Beach Club. It is late. We've got to be up early tomorrow because we're doing the Hai Van Pass, which is a road that was actually on Top Gear, and we're going to be doing it on mopeds. So, got to get some sleep. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It is time to get up and get ready to go do the Hai Van Pass. We got up a little bit late today, about 12 o'clock, because we were knackered from travelling all day on the train. So I don't know if we're going to do the whole 5-hour round trip, but the Hai Van Pass only takes about 1.5–2 hours. So maybe we'll just do that. I don't know, we need to go get food first and see what happens. So let's go get ready. We've just had our breakfast and it is time to go get these motorbikes and get out on the road. Morgan's trying to learn how to ride a scooter because he's never done it before.
Beginner to slow, and you need to both. Use both and then braking? Use both.
Except for corners, I wouldn't use some brake. How was it?
It's pretty, bitch. It's Brittany, bitch.
Did you have...
You're a good driver. I don't know.
We made our first stop along the way just to admire this view of the beach. Like, how incredible is that? With all like the palm trees and the nice turquoise blue waters. By the way, it's like a 120cc. I was gonna get a 155, but it was like it was double the price. We're basically at the High Van Pass right now. You can see the loops that you have to do. And here is the view that you get of the coastline of Vietnam. This is the bay. You can see Da Nang over there, I think it is, where we're staying. This is the bay. It's absolutely unreal. It's been such a good drive. We've been riding for hours and it's been so fun. Morgan's first time on a bike and he's loving it. Do you think you're gonna get one when you get home?
Definitely.
Exactly, it's so good.
The prices of fuel at home are fucking extortionate.
Literally, we put like, what, like £3 in or something, like €4 euros, and we've still not even like used what we put in yet. Now we've come to see if we can get on a cable cart to go to the Golden Hands Bridge, which is a massive bridge that's held up by golden hands, hence the name. But it's getting a bit late and it was still like a 40-minute drive, so hopefully the cable car gets us there before it goes dark. We don't even know where we are, but we're in this big like building and it is just unreal. There's gardens, there's lanterns everywhere, there's trees. It's so cool. It's best accent to find. It is time to check out this hostel and I get to say goodbye to this view one last time. Although, not really a sea view, but the view is still quite cool. And we're going to be going to Golden Hands Bridge, which is what we tried to go to last night. But the cable cart was extortionately expensive. It was 800,000 dong, which is, I think, about £30, £35, I think. So, ridiculous for a cable cart. So we're just going to drive up there. It takes about 45-50 minutes to get there, and we're just going to explore the area for the rest of the day, and then we have to give the bikes back, unfortunately, which is kind of sad. But let's get to it. Let's get checked out. So we came to the Golden Hands Bridge to try and get up, and you can't drive up there. You have to take the 800,000 dong cable car, which is just ridiculous. So we're going to drive to Hoi An instead and spend a few days there. I'm going to end it here for Da Nang, and we're going to make a new one in Hoi An. So remember, like the video if you liked it. Comment below what was your favourite part, whether it was the beach or High Van Pass. Maybe it was probably the High Van Pass and driving. And remember, smash that subscribe button and keep exploring.